Today I want to show you guys this bird feeder. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. As you can see, it has built-in camera, and the camera provides 5 megapixel. And over here we have this nice large area for the birds to eat. And as you see, as the birds eat, this will continuously feed as long as there is anything inside. So that is cool. And over here we have this you can fill with water if you want to, and you have this attachment if you want to place some fruit, vegetables. And for the hummingbirds you have this. Overall very easy to install, like took only a couple minutes to install. All you have to do is just install these two screws and connect the bracket with this screw over here. Basically you are done with. And for the solar panel, you can easily install it. Again, I just put one screw over here, and if you want you can install this around the tree or pole, wherever you need to. If you don't want to make a hole, you can just secure this strap around the bracket and you can easily uh, connect it. It has this antenna, it just boosts the Wi-Fi signal. And over here you can see very nice large opening. You can easily refill whenever you need to, and it is waterproof. Once you close it securely, it will just stay and keep water outside. You can see it has this nice feature around. And the camera has 11,000 different bird species detection with the AI. So you can subscribe and use the function. Also you can use the cloud function, but you need to get subscription. Overall, this is really nice unit. You can see very easy to install. I hope you guys found this useful.